What if I tell you that the face recognition systems are easier to understand than it looks?
Huh?
There's a simple algorithm behind it, principal component analysis. Suppose your face has 500 features to drive. Now storing all of them would make the system slower and heavier. So here comes a PC into play. PC compresses all of these features into few important components while preserving the most useful information. This is called dimensionality reduction. To understand this better, let's take example of Apple's Face ID. So when you set a Face ID, the system extracts most important patterns from your face. These are known as principal components. So later by unlocking, the system just matches those patterns and that's why it works so fast. But there is a catch. These features are combination of original features and not original features. So interpreting the model becomes a bit difficult. So if PCA feels a little clear now, you can check out my page where I've shared other algorithms too in a simple language like this.